What happens if you try to repair your phone yourself? You open it up. Tiny parts stare back, and one wrong move already feels dangerous. Minute 10. The battery slips. Your hands shake as tools scrape near fragile circuits. Minute 20. A spark flashes, the phone heats up fast, and panic kicks in. Hour 1. You push further. The battery starts swelling, releasing a sharp chemical smell. Hour 2. Heat builds inside. One puncture, and the battery suddenly hisses. Seconds later, it ignites. Flames burst out, thick smoke fills the air, and you drop everything. Final moment, one mistake turns a simple repair into a fire you can't control.